Tonight, new details painting an even darker picture of an off-screen romance gone bad between two Hollywood A-listers.
On that occasion, you observed that she had a bloody lip, correct?
Correct.
And she told you that that was a result of the altercation with Mr. Depp, right?
Right.
The court hearing from Amber Heard's personal nurse. In pre-recorded testimony citing the nurse's notes, attorneys asked about a 2015 visit to the actress's Los Angeles penthouse where she said she found Heard with an injury, but added she never saw Heard or Depp abuse each other. The nurse, actually called to the stand by Depp's team, also told the court Heard had reported a history of bipolar disorder, anxiety, and addiction issues, mainly alcohol and cocaine, and she recalled resentment in the relationship.
Do you recall Ms. Heard ever telling you that she thought Mr. Depp was cheating on her?
No, I don't recall that specifically. I just, as I've said, have a general sense of remembering jealousy being an issue.
Depp is suing his ex for defamation after she wrote a 2018 op-ed in the Washington Post describing herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse. The actor claims he never abused Heard and said the op-ed, which never directly mentioned Depp, did irreparable damage to his career. His agent testifying yesterday, Depp has become a Hollywood pariah.
Zero. No studio films.
Depp is suing for $50 million, arguing Heard, in fact, abused him. His bodyguard testifying he saw Heard punch Depp in the face during a heated argument.
And whose fist was that?
That was Miss Heard's fist, Amber Heard's fist.
Heard is countersuing for $100 million, denying she abused her ex-husband. In the case of that punch, previously arguing in court records it was to protect her sister. After weeks of graphic testimony,
"This is not helping, you stupid! This is not helping!"
Depp's team rested today. Heard's lawyers moved in, asking the judge to throw out the suit, arguing Depp failed to prove his case.
The court should grant the motion to strike because the undisputed evidence is that he did, in fact, abuse Amber.
The judge denied that motion, the decision setting the stage for another headline-grabbing moment. Heard herself is expected to take the stand tomorrow. This after the star abruptly fired her PR team, with sources telling NBC News she's frustrated coverage of the graphic trial has so far favored her ex. Tonight, Heard's team gears up for a highly anticipated attempt to turn the tide.
All right, Maggie Vespa joins us now live from Los Angeles again tonight. So, Maggie, a lot of people will be watching Heard's testimony. Again, we expect that tomorrow, but her team already called their first witness, a forensic psychologist. What did she have to say?
Tom, she said a lot about patterns of abuse in romantic relationships and about Heard's account of being abused throughout her life. That psychologist, Dr. Dawn Hughes, testifying that Heard was raised by an abusive father, making her all the more likely to gravitate toward abusive relationships as an adult. And a lot of people online pointing out that Heard, now 36, appeared teary-eyed at times in court today. And again, we expect to hear from her tomorrow.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.